Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to convert the GSI file from survey data to Excel. So first of all, you should have that software Sending Survey Office. First of all, open this file. Then you should go to coordinate editor, this one, coordinate editor. Then you should go to file option and open. So you should have a GSI file. So I'll go to the desktop, and in desktop I have written there sending. So not showing here, so sending. So I have the file abhi.gsi, so I'll open this file. So you can see the coordinates that are taken by the total station. So I have to copy these files. So here, so open file, open, and AVI open, then copy this all the data, copy all data. You can, sorry, I tried to right click and copy, but it does not work, so I'm going to Control C. Then I'm opening Excel. I have 2013 version of Excel, so I will open the Excel here. Then I will paste the data here, so we can see the data in Excel. So I will edit some person that with the insert, and I will insert other columns also, and that is, and I will transfer this column to this one. So I can write here s.n. so here EASTING string, this is the x value, and NORTSING nothing, and that is ELEBATION, and that is REMARKS Remax. So I will write here 1 and scroll down to the number of data, that is, so field series. So I will expand and contract that cells as per requirement, so I can organize data very beautifully. So there are almost 62 data, and I will do it, and I will highlight it and bold. So I have here data, and I will save it to the desktop. And here is, I have sending, that is survey data, SURVEY survey data. So finally I converted the data and from GSI file to, in here I am GSI file to Excel. So here's the data. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.